Just when you thought the Tesla Cybertruck couldn't get any more outrageous, Mansory proves us all wrong. The German luxury tuner, known for turning exotic supercars into rolling pieces of art or controversy, has taken its obsession with bold design to a whole new level with the Cybertruck Elongation Evo. This one-off creation is built specifically for the Middle East, and it's everything the original Cybertruck isn't: flamboyant, excessive, and unapologetically dramatic. Earlier this year, Mansory teased the automotive world with the Cybertruck Elongation, a custom version that already looked like it belonged on another planet. Now, the Elongation Evo goes even further by completely transforming Tesla's stainless steel minimalist aesthetic into a carbon fiber showcase. And not just any carbon fiber, forged carbon, applied generously across the entire exterior. The Cybertruck Elongation ditches the factory front fascia and hood in favor of bespoke forged carbon fiber panels. It also gets new LED daytime running lights, giving the front a sharper, more aggressive look. The carbon doesn't stop there. From the pillars and window surrounds to the door panels and rear bed, Mansory has covered nearly every visible surface in a bold, swirling carbon texture that's impossible to ignore. Then there are the wheels. Massive 26-inch forged carbon rims sit tucked under equally wide arches, giving the truck a stance more suited to a hypercar than an off-roader. The aesthetic is brutalist meets futuristic luxury, though opinions are split. Some see it as a masterpiece, others as pure madness. But Mansory didn't stop at surface-level changes. At the rear, they've taken cues from the Ferrari FXXK, adding a pair of dual aerodynamic winglets. While they may serve a purpose on a track-focused Ferrari, on a 6,800-pound electric pickup, that's up for debate. A new rear diffuser has also been integrated, along with an illuminated Mansory badge to make sure no one mistakes who's responsible for this mechanical statement piece. Step inside and you'll find the same interior setup as the first Elongation. Mansory's Cybertruck cabin swaps Tesla's monochrome minimalism for a bold three-tone theme: black, white, and electric yellow. The cabin feels more like a concept lounge than a utility vehicle, staying consistent with the vehicle's outlandish exterior. But who's this truck actually for? While the Cybertruck has lost some of its initial buzz in the United States, thanks in part to production delays and its awkward design, it's finding favor in the Middle East, where there's an appetite for high-end, attention-grabbing rides. The Elongation Evo was crafted with this clientele in mind, and it's safe to say it will blend in seamlessly with the gold-plated Lamborghinis and six-wheeled G-Wagons in Dubai. In the US, however, rolling up in this carbon fiber behemoth might earn you more side eyes than admiration. But maybe that's the point. The Mansory Elongation Evo is not trying to appeal to the average EV buyer. It's here to make a statement. Whether you love it or loathe it, one thing is certain: the Cybertruck has never looked more Mansory. So, if the standard Cybertruck wasn't extreme enough for your taste, Mansory just served up the wildest version yet, proving once again that in the world of custom vehicles, too much is never enough.